caught him off guard. Okay.
See what's going on.
What's going on, nigga?
Bipping, not much. Look, the PSI is running low on the tire.
PSI is running low. So what does that mean? Gotta do this bullshit.
Shit's going down.
Bullshit. That's how we starting this. That's how we starting this shit.
We starting this shit.
We ready to start this shit like this.
Put up grade.
You ready to get... Happen out of nowhere. This shit happened out of nowhere, though. Like, what y'all want me to get, little Bibby? They call me Bibby G's for a reason, nigga. Come on now. They call me Bibby G's for a reason, man. They know how I get. They know how I get.
How I get bleed.
They know how I get Bibby G's. Man, this how we... We a couple days later, I ain't gonna lie, we ain't been knowing what the fuck to do, man. Like, I told y'all the stars already be done, but niggas was saying, like, I got them bitches. Niggas just, you feel me?
We've been cooling for 3 weeks, nigga.
You feel me? So we just ready to turn it up with the video like this.
Damn, look at the boys down there.
They
sleeping.
Better. Them niggas be sleeping.
They be sleeping, bleed.
Mm-hmm. You know how these niggas be getting, man.
Yep.
I draw out front of niggas crazy. Dang, right. Cop.
You know, bro, got hair.
This shit go mad. You know, damn, right there.
Alright, I gotta tune in later.
That's the, what you talking about, the kill, the seal?
Yeah, bro, I had smoked that shit. We about to go
You
back
smoked
over.
all of it?
Yeah, we about to go back over
What
that
the
beef joint.
fuck?
We about to go back over that.
You know, we coming out, we bumming. Man. You know we about to put gas in it, you know. Hold on, we got to... You gonna give me an 8?
Yo, just give me that cash and I'm gonna pay with my car. How much you got there, G?
8.
Alright, so I'm about to put 18 right now.
Oh, all right. We bump, we ain't trying to bump. Drippy. We coming on trench tip right now. We coming on trench tip. You know, we swipe the card. No, you swipe the card. Brr. Nah, I don't even think they got. They don't even got tax on. 8. Nigga, they trying to bump. Nigga, they trying to bump. It ain't work. Oh, we trying to get active into the YouTube. Come on, man. We trying to get active. We trying to get the guys. We trying. Everybody trying to bump. How you coming, nigga? You ugly as shit. Of course. No, y'all got stage gentlemen. You hear me, girl? I got stage gentlemen. How you doing, man? You good? We got the toys outside, bro. We gotta get all the toys outside, bro. I'm back.
Thank you. 20 on 6.
But we don't need no drink. We don't need no drink. Nothing.
You want a drink? Yeah. Nah, we about to go to the smoke shop.
All right. All right. He know what he talking about. He know what he talking about. She putting the Ringo though. Ringo, I'm trying to slide her shit. But easy or fast. Yo, y'all gotta put regular in your shit sometime, bro. Chill. That's how I get. They trying to go out at a gas station. You dumb, nigga. You know who he is, nigga? They spinning, they spinning, they spinning. Well, they outside right now. They on that truck, on that truck, on that truck. Look, 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 look. They on that. Whoop, whoop. Y'all just witnessed that shit on them dumb ass. Let that shit sit there. Yeah, bro.
Hey, yo, look, right? I think I know you. My son be watching your YouTube and shit. Like, one time you was running from the cops in your car.
Uh-huh.
Yo, good shit. Yo, look on your video, right? His name's Sarah Bands. You hear me? Yo, give him a shout out for me. Yo, he fuck with you. I only know you from him. Like, yo, he burnt me watching your videos.
My mom, we just be trying to turn up.
Look at it.
Brrr. I'm a fucking fool right now. Let's chill. Let's chill for you.
Baby G, we outside. We outside. Turn me up, bleed.
Man, I told y'all, shit getting active, nigga. This baby G's man. Y'all know we baby going down. Oh shit, hold up. Hold up, this shit trying to get active for y'all. This shit telling me no talking. Hold up. Oh yeah, we sideways. Oh yeah, we active, but you know what I'm saying? We active though. Okay, what you doing, bleed? Bro, we gonna get stuck in the neighborhood, bro.
Active.
Bro.
Another day, another movie.
Another day, another movie. But I ice on the back of my shit gon' bust any nigga, bro. Yo, what the fuck, bleed? You think we can go down there?
Yeah, 100.
Nigga talking about, yeah.
100. You know, I'm pushing. No reindeers.
We drunk right now. Bro, look at that shit, bro. What the fuck, my nigga? Oh, I start going sideways. Let me chill before I get stuck on some dumb shit. Damn. What the fuck, please? What the fuck going on there? This nigga plowing though. What are you plowing?
That nigga moved though.
We baby, where the fuck nigga is that? What the hell nigga got? Sideways on the little channel, I'm wildin' right now. I'm wildin'. Oh my god, we just started getting bippy. We gotta chill, bleed. Cops gonna get behind us and they gonna wanna be on bullshit. We end up beaming today, we bipping on my, y'all know how we come in. Hold up.
We gotta turn around and go back down that road.
Nigga, why the fuck? We
I used
just
to go here.
we just was bipping on my mom on the highway, nigga. We just almost fucking took your auntie off the road. You hear me? I'm gonna take her.
Me and Bree.
What school this is?
Richie.
Getting active. Getting active on them. Getting active on them. Camera died on this. Hold up. We got it back though. Yo, this I ain't gonna lie, BMW be bipping. Look at this road. Oh my god, sideways on him. Bit. Sideways. Oh my god, sideways on him. Oh! Oh! Sideways. Oh, sideways. Sideways. Hold up. Oh. Sideways. Bit. 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 He yakking his joint. Oh, he yak. Oh, tell me. Video right here, man. If y'all didn't already, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, do all that extra shit, man. We at work and shit. Feel me? You know how that shit go. Make sure y'all niggas stay fucking tuned, man. Way more bangers coming. I don't even want to surprise the fucking content. Make sure y'all, you feel me, tap in.